Check out the clock tower of Jodhpur at night. They light it up in pink. Even though it's not the pink city, it's a blue city. But they don't have blue lights. I mean, they have blue lights at the bottom. I guess they're pulsating in different colors. So we just saw it lit up from a distance. Thought we'd come and check it out and show you guys what it's like when there's no one around at night. People are watching Sergio's photography skills. Good. There we go. Jalebi, yes. There's a guy from the jalebi store. What?
Morning with jalebi.
Photo? Okay. Photographing the streets of Jodhpur at night. So we had our dinner at Dylan Cafe, which was the cafe dedicated to Bob Dylan, and it was, I guess the guy was a big Bob Dylan fan, so he named this cafe after Bob Dylan. And yeah, the food was good. Actually, it was really good. So if you are in Jodhpur, you look for Dylan Cafe, and pretty much everybody seems to know about Dylan Cafe. So whoever we asked just pointed at us in the right direction. So even though it's inside the alleyways, you won't have a hard time finding it if you ask a few people. But yeah, let's go check out the clock tower. There's the policeman with the flashing lights. I don't think it was the police. Dog going crazy.
It's a gang.
There's a gang of dogs. Oh,
That's when you gotta be careful.
they almost trapped this poor man. They're gonna come to the rescue.
That's when you gotta be careful with.
So we're walking towards the pack of angry dogs just to be able to get a photo. Hey, what are you guys so mad about? Let the man walk. The poor man trying to get home. You guys are harassing him for no reason. We got some complaints here. Can't be doing that. So this is where you have the market. But at night it's like completely empty and overrun by a gang of doggies who are now attacking themselves. They're looking for a fight. These dogs, they don't play around. The dogs of Jaipur or Jodhpur. Man, this pink lights got me confused. I keep thinking I'm in Jaipur, but it's Jodhpur. We got a lot to complain to change the lights. Maybe we could sign a petition, change the lights to blue. But it is progressive pink, so.
I'm not happy with it.
Look at the dog's going crazy. What are you guys mad about? All right, they seem to have calmed down. Maybe I spoke too soon. But at least they are attacking each other instead of us. So there's an open gate for the clock tower. I don't know if you can get in. I think that's a bird.
No, there's somebody inside. I saw it.
Oh, in here? Up there was a bird. So there you go, the empty market area of the clock tower at night. See a lot of trash. Nobody cleans it up though, I don't think. Plastic bags and everything from the daily market. We gotta prepare it for the morning. The famous lassi shop. Gotta get ready to serve all these lassis in the morning. There's a police van. Nobody's in it. The Clock Tower Market. The gates never close. All right, let's proceed. Man, it
10 o'clock.
takes him
We're
a
open
while
10
to.
to 10 for the
Yeah,
omelets.
yeah. Takes them a while to disassemble the whole thing. They have to do that every day.
But they're our friends.
Where's our friends?
What's up? ¿Qué pasó?
Paso.
I'm going to teach you some words. So if you ever have some Spanish clients, no.
But, listen.
We've made some new friends in Jodhpur.
No. If you ever have
Tuk-tuk
some
guys.
Spanish clients, just tell them to get them to help get tuk-tuk with you. Say, vete a la verga.
Okay.
Vete la verga.
I speak as I speak.
No, you
Yeah,
say.
tell them.
Oh,
Vete la
oh
verga.
my God,
Vete
very
la verga.
difficult.
Vete.
Very difficult, sir.
You just have
You
to
have to
remember
try.
that.
But
Say-
sir, yaar, Kaiga, you are sleeping hotel. That is the card. It's the card.
The card.
Come take the seat.
Take a seat.
No.
No, we don't want to.
We're like
wanted to help
so,
you out.
We're like so close. It's
Our hotel is right here.
Yes.
Right here. Yes. Very close.
like
But is the blue?
Atai.
yeah.
Atai.
Blue.
No. White.
White.
Yes.
Bambola, winter tonic Viagra, Bambola.
He just said it. Vete.
Verga.
Blue.
Vete la verga.
Winter tonic
Now,
Viagra,
tell him,
Bambola.
Now like him. Tell him.
No. Is the blue?
No, not blue. White. White hotel.
Full white.
Yes, full white.
कौन सी है full white?
Bambola है आदमी. वो मेडिटेट.
हाँ शिवम तो नहीं है बेंच पे.
वो मेडिटेट है वाइट. वो मेडिटेट भी वाइट.
हाँ हम तो ही को नहीं. नन्हे बड़े तक. कलर भी को नहीं.
वाइट है तो ओला.
White एकदम होता.
His puppies wanted to play with him. This man's trying to beat him with the shoe.
Have a good night, okay? We'll see you tomorrow. We'll be through
All right.
tomorrow.
Remember, vete la verga.
Yeah. Vete a la verga.
I don't think they even tried to saying that.
He said it pretty good.
But yeah, he's not going to remember it when he gets
That's
sober.
gonna be- he can greet his new Spanish-speaking customers
Yeah.
with that.
Get some new reviews on Yelp. 5-star reviews. For the most outgoing, bilingual tuk-tuk driver in Jaipur, or Jodhpur. Damn it. I keep saying Jaipur. It's those pink lights, those goddamn pink lights. Throwing me off. There's a blue house, the only blue house in this alley, representing Jodhpur. Lossy man on his way back. Oh, how many people are on this bike? Look at that, families heading out, middle of the night, on motorcycle adventure. No helmets. No helmets necessary. All right, go for it. There's a party in that car. So here's a Jodhpur tuk-tuk, which has a distinct shape to it, and then the regular green and yellow that you find all across India. More alleyways. Some more houses. Hello, how are you? Closing down? Closing down?
Yeah.
Good night.
Good night.
There's another general store. Beauty parlor. And here is our hotel. right next to the post office. Did you send whatever you wanted to send?
No.
The post office? Hello. Hello, sir. Let's go. That was Jodhpur at night. And now it's time to crash. Sweet dreams.